الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم.
We've been watching your videos a lot.
Thank you, thank you. Well, we really appreciate all the people that forward the videos and pass it on because it really spreads the dawah. And alhamdulillah, you're here. So, go ahead. What are your questions?
I'm still watching them. Just like now, I'm like on the moon splitting the.
Yeah, that's an interesting one, right? Yeah.
I didn't even know myself yet. There's still a lot.
What's your background?
My background, my family started off as Roman Catholic.
Are you Mexican? Are you American? Are you? Okay,
Mexican.
cool. Wow. Born in San Diego, U.S.
I was born in Guerrero. And
Where?
Guerrero.
Guerrero. Nice.
And then came over when I was 2 years of age.
Wow. Yeah. So you're American.
Yeah.
What about you? Same? Guerrero or somewhere else?
My family's from there.
From where?
My family's from there.
Okay. Oh, that's cool, man. You guys your roots are from the same place. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. So you're both originally Mexican. You're both an American. You're both Muslim, inshallah. So that's it.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. All right. So what are your questions? Anything? Go ahead. So you believe there's one God?
Yeah.
All right, good. You believe that God does not have children or does not have... Okay, good, man, you're there. All right, so you believe that God sent prophets as guidance. All right, so you're a Muslim.
There's more than the Bible. It's like...
Yeah, you're right.
Like, kind of so many contradictions. And I'm just like, bro, it's like the Bible was made for pedophilia or something.
Yeah, I mean, even if you look at the story of Lot, which is, I mean, I'm sure if you've seen the videos, you've seen them. There's some weird stuff, right? Like Islamically, we don't believe that because Lot in, let me show it to you. So we're here. You've probably seen this many times in the videos. So Lot in the New Testament is called a righteous servant, right? They say Lot was a righteous servant. But if you look at so much stuff, man. This is so again in the New Testament he's called righteous, prophet, righteous, whatever you want to say in the New Testament. In the Old Testament, that means before that, we have come, let us make our father drunk with wine. This is the daughters of Lot, and we will lie with him, and then we may preserve the lineage of our father. So they made their father drink wine that night. So he got that drunk that the firstborn, his daughter, went in and lay with him, with her father. And he did not know when she lay down or when she arose. He was that drunk, he had sex with his own daughter, right? And then it happened on the next day. It's not like a one-time thing, right? The firstborn said to the younger, it's not like humanity was going to end or something. This is not Noah. This is Lot. Other people exist. And they already had one daughter get pregnant, goes to the other daughter. Indeed, I lay with my father last night. Let us make him night. And the younger arose and lay with him, the younger daughter now. And he did not know when he lay down or when she arose. Thus both the daughters of Lot were with child. They were pregnant by their father. That's disgusting. Yeah. Like, I don't even know how people read this with their kids. I'm worried about saying this on video in case kids are watching, right? I couldn't read this with my kids, right? I mean, in Islam, we believe in Lot being a righteous. He did not have sex with his daughters. He didn't get drunk. This is ridiculous. How would somebody be called a righteous man? Imagine this, okay? Just imagine this. You go to a church, right? And the priest there, or pastor, whatever you want to call him, right? You find out that he gets drunk so much that he has sex with his own kids and doesn't realize it. Would you be able to take him as a role model, as an example, somebody to follow? So how can the people of Sodom and Gomorrah be told to follow a man that would get drunk and even like, oh, he didn't know what he was doing? Well, if you get drunk and go and molest a little girl, does that mean you're off the hook? No. If you get drunk and drive and hit somebody, can you be like, oh, judge, it wasn't my fault, I was drunk? No judge is going to let you off the hook, right? So now you look at that. Look at the disgusting addition. We don't believe this is from the original message. This is all stuff that was added. Let me show you something else.
I remember I had to put the Bible down when I was
Oh,
younger because I
man.
read that part.
Have you-
I could not comprehend it yet because
Have you read the stuff about David?
no,
Okay.
not yet.
I'm gonna blow your mind today.
I was a Catholic, read this fugaziness, and it was just like ridiculous. Like how can that part, what else? And let someone slap you and then like turn the other cheek.
And see, nobody does that.
Nobody does that.
Like that's hypocrisy. Like, okay, so David, who is called the son of God, right? Which is kind of funny. Like, I don't know how he became the son of God, but in the Bible, you will see, I will declare the decree. The Lord has said to me, you are my son. Today I have begotten you. This is Psalms of David, right? This is Old Testament. This is not even Jesus, right?
Yeah.
And then he's called a prophet in the Bible, David. You know, many people will deny that, but I can show you the verses, right? He orders the first thing, and I'm not even going to go, I'm just going to summarize it for you. He has a woman he sees, right? She's taking a bath. First, that's pretty nasty. Like, you're a peeping Tom, you're a prophet, you're a king, you're all this person of God, you're peeping into people taking their bath. Then he likes her, so he has her brought and he rapes her or has sex with her. And now she's married, right? She's a married woman, right? Then he gets her pregnant. Like, he keeps doing it until she's like, yo, I'm pregnant. And then he says, well, who's her husband? They're like, oh, he's out at war. He's like, well, call him back, right? So then they write a letter to the general and say, put him in the forward lines so he can get killed. King David is ordering the husband, an innocent, good man, a soldier in his army, to be killed because he's been fornicating with the guy's wife and got her. What is that? What is, like, how can you think this is from God? How could you follow a person like that? No way, right?
آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية